Hi everybody, welcome to Kaurmoments. Today I'll be doing a Dastar tutorial using the sports turban by Thawrih. And the one I am using right now is the one with headband, and it's 3.5 yards long. It's a personal preference. You can get the one without the headband, and you can also choose the length of whatever you like. I first start with a very small bunga underneath, just to give my turban a little shape, and then I'll go ahead and put the band on, and make sure to have the turban cloth at the back so you can bring it to the front when you start tying it. Other thing that I've noticed is to start tying your dastar on top of your ears, because it just feels more secure that way, and not worry about it coming off during intense cardio or intense workouts. Material is dry fit fabric, so if you're sweating, it won't feel gross. It's also stretchable and flexible, so you can tighten it depending on your preference. You keep wrapping it around. At the end, I like to just either tuck it in at the back or just tuck it in like this to give it a nice texture on the front, and that's it. It's super secure and also looks very nice. You can get a 10% off your order by using my code Kaurmoments10 on Thawrih's website. I will link everything in the description down below. I hope you guys like it. Bye.